we're going to talk about the different kinds of probate administration. A lot of times people ask me if their estate has to go through probate if it's over $75,000. So that is a threshold mark, but not to initiate or to require the probate. So probate is really required for any assets that don't pass automatically to someone. So it literally could be $1 in a bank account, and if that bank account isn't going to pass to somebody else because there's no joint owner, there's no beneficiary designated, it has to go through probate in order to transfer that to the beneficiary or the heir. The threshold for the $75,000 is the difference between what's called a summary probate administration and a formal probate administration. So in Florida, a summary administration is $75,000 or less, not including exempt assets. And something that's an exempt asset is your primary residence or your homestead. So you could have $1 million homestead, but as long as you have less than $75,000 of other assets, it still qualifies for a summary administration. And those, depending on the circumstances, are often pretty quick. It's usually completed in about 3 months, give or take, of course, always depends. Anything over the $75,000 threshold requires a formal probate administration, which is just a regular probate administration. But that typically takes about a year to complete, occasionally a little bit less, and oftentimes more than a year. But those are the two different types of probates: summary administration and formal administration in Florida.